Hello gang, hello friends, welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video finds you well. Are you well? I hope you're well. If you're new, hello, my name is Jo and I do nail stuff. She does stuff, nail stuff, and the stuff she does nail stuff with nail stuff and stuff for nails and hay fever. Oh, the new Madame Glam collection for February, the House of Love collection is here and it is so pretty. Oh, right. I've had to change the brightness and hue for a lot of the clips in this video to get the colour to look as much like it does as it does. I'm going to label my pops. I don't know why I'm showing you me using my label maker, but I do have a video on it. If you're interested in that, I'll put it in the description. Yeah, I've changed the hue a bit to make the colour look as much like it does as it does. So my hands look really pink in some of the shots for some reason, but the lighting wasn't the best when I was filming, intentionally, because I like to sit in the dark and only have my desk light. Thought I'd show you that I have neat nails for once. And I'm super nasal because I'm having an allergy day, so apologies for that. I mean, not really, I can't, you know. I don't know why I should be apologising to somebody else. I'm the one suffering. But yes, I'm a bit snotty. So we have Astrolove, how would you pronounce that? Hardcoeur? I don't know. The Chaser, which is such a nice pink. I'm not into pink that much, but this collection is so gorgeous. Then we have Love Energy. Oh, and look at the labels on the bottles. They've all got little sort of a little bit cosmic-y designs going on, which I absolutely love. Little moons and dots. Moons and dots. Love it. This is Moonchild. A very it's got a hint of pink. It's like a creamy pink. And then, you okay over there, my sweet? And then Supernova Love, which is so nice. So rose gold, a shimmery rose gold. And then we have Magic Dust, which is the same formula, but it's more gold than rose gold. Once I've swatched them, I'll show you them next to each other so you can see the difference. And then we have Synergy, which is a gorgeous purple. I really love this. And then I'm going to swatch them, but before I do that, I'm going to show you just a funny clip of Dexter, because I know you all miss him and you've been asking about him. So here he is being a Wally. What's up? Oh. It's a fly. It is quite a big one. But it's okay. You don't have to eat them all. Oh. 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 Are you allergic to flies? They're making you sneeze. Dexter. It's okay. It's okay. It's just a fly. It's okay. That's okay. Let him be. Hey? Hey? Oh. So that's Dexter being... He's always like that with flies. He's a bit weird with flies. He's got a thing against them. So I'm going to swatch them now. I'm going to do one coat, and then because they're so opaque, then I'm going to do the second coat and top them off camera. Yeah, see how pink my skin looks? It's because I've tried to make it So I've already said this, so to look as much like it is as it is. Oh, this colour's incredible. I love it. I have filmed using these colours. I filmed last night, but there's going to be a video after this one today. So this will be the first of two, which isn't using these colours because I didn't have them when I've only just got them. So there will be a video shortly after this one, with doing a Valentine set, and then I am going to show you what I filmed with this briefly at the end, and then that will be the video after, which I might try and do a midweek video, just because it's a sort of Valentine's-y set, so I'll try and get those out as soon as possible, really. And then I suppose it's springy Easter nails. I suck at springy Easter nails. It's all flowery, and I'm just, those sort of ideas don't really come naturally to me. Look at the opacity of these glittery ones. Oh, it's amazing. They're so nice. I nearly put this one on, and then I chickened at the last minute and thought, no, just go black. And then I've got something over the black. What have I got over the black? Cosmic Sparkle. Both Madame Glam polishes. You can get a whopping 30% off your orders at Madame Glam with the code MISSJO30 and the link in the description to this video. If you follow that link, then they know you've come from me, which is helpful. I can hear a lawnmower in the distance, and I'm not happy about it. I think February the 1st arrived and everyone was like, we're done with winter, let's just pretend it's summer, start mowing the fucking lawns. So this is the set, the collection. Yeah, you can see the difference between the two sparkly ones. It's close, but it's definitely there. The Supernova Love is definitely much more pinky than the gold one. I would love to know what you think of this collection. Let me know in the comments if you have got it or you're going to get it. These are the bottles. I love the little pictures on these bottles. They're definitely up my... Oh, be careful. Asking for trouble. This is the set we will be doing with them. That will hopefully be ready in a few days, but there will be another video in a few minutes after this one. I appreciate you being here so much, and hopefully I'll see you in a minute. Bye.